Kronii. Kronii, okay, I'm gonna turn her down a little bit. Here we go.
Am I just too loud?
I fixed you. I can fix you.
Oh, you fixed me? You didn't have to fix me.
Oh,
what? You're crazy.
No, you are crazy. And
no, you.
No, you.
No.
And together we are crazy.
You have such a way with words. That's why you're so awesome. You're just a wordsmith. Oh my god.
Stop complimenting already. Stop.
Yeah, I mean that. Who knows when that's gonna change?
Whoa! Is this a threat or something?
No. You know, it's called love bombing. It's like, oh, it's so awesome, and then it's like, you know, back and forth. You know what I'm saying?
Isn't this a little toxic though?
No, it's like it's healthy.
Isn't that toxic? Like
no, it's healthy. It balances out.
Guys,
because
what do you think? Is she a red flag?
No, I don't think so. I think I'm a green flag.
Oh yeah. Okay, explain. Elaborate why.
So the thing is, like I'm saying this in general, if you love bomb someone and then distance yourself, it kind of balances out. It's like the two extremes combining together to even it out, and it's neutral. So it makes for a very healthy relationship. Now, if it was like a normal one and you don't really do anything in comparison, it really doesn't even out. But then if you're like saying, oh, I love you so much, and then just distance yourself for like few years, then that kind of balances out.
What?
Don't you think so?
I don't think so.
I think it's healthy.
What did you just... you know what? That's... You know, it's okay. Everyone has its own vision of being healthy, right?
Okay, for disclaimer purposes, I'm joking, everyone. Do not follow my advice. Do not say as I say.
Don't listen to Kronii.
Don't ever listen to me.
Ever.
I'm full of good ideas.
Ever.
Full of good ideas. Only I get to use it.
Yeah, it just works on her.
Yeah, it only works on me because I'm Ouro Kronii.
She's special.
Yeah, I'm kind of perfect like that.
No,
whatever people think is impossible. No, she said that. Whatever is impossible for the normal people, I can do it. I can accomplish anything that I put my mind into. Yeah. Because I am the warden of time.
Yeah, I like this mentality. This is healthy, see?